If you're searching for a powerful and profitable scalping strategy, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you a scalping strategy we tested on the EUR-USD pair with a 15-minute time frame, and it gave us fantastic results. You can try it on other pairs and assets too. Before we dive into the setup, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and strategies. I know you're used to seeing the indicators first, but today we're switching it up. We're going to show you how to place buy and sell orders right away, so you can see how powerful these indicators are before we even set them up. So stay with us to see it all in action. When it comes to placing a sell order, keep your eyes peeled for a signal from the black P indicator. Once you spot it, double-check with the OBV-MACD indicator to confirm a bearish trend. When both indicators align, it's time to strike. Place your sell order right after the candlestick closes. Be sure to set your stop loss at the last swing high and aim for a take-profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio to maximize your potential gains. For a buy order, start by watching for a signal from the black P indicator. Once you see that, confirm it with a bullish signal from the OBV-MACD. When both indicators give you the green light, go ahead and place your buy order right after the candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the last swing low and aim for a take-profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio to keep your trading sharp and effective. Now let's set up the indicators on TradingView. Start with the EUR-USD pair and set the time frame to 15 minutes. For the black P indicator, start by searching for Black PX BTUSD by Pacha Ventures in the Indicator tab on TradingView. Once you've found it, add it to your chart and configure the settings. Set the lookback period to 10 to fine-tune how the indicator analyzes past data, and adjust the sensitivity to 8.5 to get the best signals. Then, head over to the Style tab and make sure to uncheck the TP long and TP short boxes to simplify your view. Confirm these settings and you're all set. This indicator will be your guide for making precise market orders. Next, add the OBV-MACD indicator by Rafael Zioni to your chart. To set it up, start by adjusting the OBV length to 2, the MA length to 10, and the MACD slow length to 21. These settings will help you get the most accurate signals. Go to the Style tab and tweak the plot line opacity to ensure the lines are clearly visible on your chart. This indicator will help you filter signals effectively. If the OBV-MACD signal line turns blue, it's a sign of bullish confirmation, while a red line indicates bearish confirmation. Keep in mind that solid money management and a strong trading mindset are crucial, as no strategy is flawless. That wraps up this video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.